Hello all. Today we will do a caramel syrup. So it's for your flan caramel or for your ice cream and everything. So you need sugar and water only. I will begin the quantity are for 1 kilo of sugar, half a liter of water. That's easy. I will begin with 500 gram or half a kilo of sugar and then 250 milliliters of water. So you put your sugar in a pan and you add some water apart the other. Just a little water to make all the sugar wet. Okay, you don't need too much because all this water have to disappear when cooking. And as much water you put, as much time it will make. It will take. Sorry. It's the morning for me. I have to wake up. My English is still in my bed. So you put the fire full under your pan. What you have to know, when you put your pan on the fire, okay, you wait, and when it is on it, you cannot anymore mixed, or you cannot put anything in your pan, because if you do, the sugar will crystallize and you miss your caramel. Okay, so you see, I never put any spoon or nothing in my pan. You just let it boil. The sugar will melt in the water. So, and then you let it boil. It takes a little bit time because it depends on the water you put in your sugar. All the water have to disappear. Then the sugar will begin to be harder and to caramelize. You have to stay to check because otherwise it will burn. It's always the same. It's like for milk. I put it on speed a little bit more, so otherwise you will have a video for half an hour. No, 15 minutes let's say. You see now your sugar is beginning to become brown, light brown, and then when you have a dark brown, it will be okay. I stop sometimes the speed, I put it lower so you can see the reaction of the sugar. You begin to have a nice color. You can have a light caramel, you can do a light caramel, a dark caramel, but if you like dark caramel, don't go too hard, too fast, otherwise it will burn. So you see now, caramel is ready. You take out of the fire and you put little by little the water inside your caramel. Be careful because it's the more dangerous part of the recipe. You can have caramel on your skin and that's really burning. So then you can put your spoon again and mix everything till all the caramel melts in this water. Then you take out of the fire for 15 minutes or something, or 10 to 15 minutes to make him a bit colder, and then you can put it in a bottle or what you have, where you want to put it. And so your caramel is done. Don't be afraid. Your caramel is really fluid, but it will become harder when cold, when it will be cold. So we'll have a nice syrup. Okay, so that's it. Enjoy your recipe and see you next time.